Okay, in first grade, we are learning about the ing suffix. Now, when I introduce the ing suffix, I usually start with the easiest things first. So the first thing the kids have to know is that there's a root word. A root word is kind of like the word before the suffix. So if we're looking at jumping, jump would be the root word, okay? So they have to look at that first word. I'll put it on my board, jumping. Well, look at the word jump in jumping. And if it's a short vowel followed by two consonants, it's super easy because all they have to do is add the ing. Okay? So in the word melt, they look at it. It's a short E with two consonants next to it. It's an ing ending. No big deal. Okay? So we get pretty comfortable with just adding the ing if there's two consonants. And then the next thing I do is teach them a rule about E. Drop the E, add ing. So if it's a root word like smile or like or hide or ride, then they drop the E and add ing. So let's try like. Here's that word like. If you want to change like to liking, they drop the E and add ing. So it turns into this. It's a little bit harder, but they still can understand it and they like the little rhyme. But practicing finding the root word, seeing if it has two consonants, and just adding that ing is the first step. The second step is that rule about the dropping the E, add ing. And when they get comfortable with those two all week, then we can move on to some of the harder rules about like doubling the consonant, because that's a little trickier. Like in running, when you have to put the two N's, and stopping, when you have to put two P's. That's a little harder skill, so that comes next, and I'll do a video about that next time. So if you're going to start with that ing suffix, teach them a root word, teach them about the two consonants, and teach them about if it ends with E, drop the E, add ing. All right, hope that helps.